Are you also looking for upgrading your holiday abroad while staying in the same budget? Then this video is exactly for you. From budget hotel to luxury hotel, from constrained menu to immense variety of food throughout the day. Then you clicked on the right video with all the tips, tricks which you have never heard before. With our immense experience of traveling all across the world, may it be Switzerland, Spain, Portugal, Norway, and the list is endless. Stay till end because we are going to share all minute tips, tricks, all the steps we have followed and what we have learned from our mistakes so you do not repeat the same mistakes. Let's dive into it. If you're already planning Europe trip or already planned one, you don't have to change anything. Stick to your plan. Just add this one upgrade which will change entire experience. And the upgrade is simply adding cruise in between your itinerary. A cruise ship experience is going to change entire trip's experience. And I know that many of you must be thinking to skip this video, but wait, stay till end because this is not going to cost fortune, and that's what the mistake most people do, and that's what we learned. We earn average salary and we still afford this, and this is most affordable experience and sometimes even more cheaper than your already booked trip or the trip you are planning. We learned this hard way because there was nobody to guide about this kind of experience because Asian people basically do not use this option thinking that it's expensive. We learned this hard way and we want you to learn from our mistakes. Simply follow these steps and that will sort all your trip. Step 1 can be actioned in two ways. Either you have already planned trip, in that case you can pick up your main travel route. And if you haven't planned anything, then you can choose your bucket list as a guider. For example, if you have already planned trip, then keep the same route. For example, if your plan is Spain for 1 week, Italy for 1 week, and you have already booked hotels with the free cancellation, don't change anything yet. Just make a list of all the countries of your route before you're moving to next step. And if you haven't planned your trip at all, then simply make the list of the countries in your bucket list. For example, Spain, Italy, Greece, Norway, or any other countries you would like to visit. We are not looking at cruise yet. We are simply trying to identify where we want to go so that next step becomes easier. Now that you have list of countries, check what cruise ports available nearby. Make a list of these ports. Let me give you an example. For Spain, cruise options may include Cadiz, Ibiza, Gran Canaria, La Palma, and many other ports as a list of available options. At this stage, we are simply creating a list of possible cruise departure ports. Now the next step is most important step, which cruise to book. Now you can decide this by comparing following factors. First in the list is cruise route, so check where the cruise goes. A Mediterranean cruise may stop at 5 different ports. This means you can get off the ship and explore 5 different countries. Or if you're looking for Norway, then I will suggest check whether the cruise is going inside the fjords. Some routes often offer much better fjord scenery and access to fjord towns than others. Next factor to choose your cruise is depend on visa requirements. Check whether your existing visa covers the cruise route. Ask yourself, is my visa valid for all the destinations or do I need any additional visa and am I willing to do that? Next factor which will help you decide your cruise is a cruise size. Generally, larger ship offers more entertainment, more dining options, more facilities. One you're seeing in the video right now was that time's world's largest cruise ship. Symphony of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. It had immense variety of food options, immense entertainment options, and there are many such cruise lines which has larger ships like Norwegian Cruise Line, MSC Cruises, etc. And now the last factor of this most crucial step, which cruise to book, is cruise price. Now that you have shortlisted few cruises, compare their prices, compare amenities they are offering, compare what is included. Then select the options which gives you best value for your money. And if you're still watching this video, then before moving on to last step, please do consider hitting like, share and subscribe. This is a great motivator because it takes a lot to take so much efforts to make this video. And if you didn't like this video and that's the reason you're watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section. And if you're still worried about this concept or how the cruising will work and will it fit yourself or not, or if you're traveling with your parents, then how it will work with them, then please do consider visiting our channel. There are immense variety of videos where I've done travel with my parents, with my husband, and it gives you immense idea that what can happen. I've given lots of tips and tricks. What should you do while cruising? What should you not do? In some of the videos, we have also shown the calculations how much cruise will cost you versus how much regular holidays will cost you, etc. So do consider visiting our channel. And now, since you have already chosen the cruise, let's see where to fit this in your itinerary. The goal is to replace most demanding part of your itinerary. For example, you are spending too much money on some of the hotels or you are doing continuous hotel hopping, then cruise is your hotel which is moving around with you. So you don't have to do continuous packing, unpacking, don't have to worry about breakfast, dinner, lunch options. Everything is around you. You don't need to change where you're going. You might just need to change how you get there, and that can change the entire experience. Sometimes biggest upgrade is how you choose to travel. Travel smarter.